When it comes to building detachable gooseneck trailers, Landoll Corporation once again leads the way. Our 35, 40, 50, and 60-ton detachables were designed from the ground up with performance features that other trailers can only hope to match. For openers, our trailers can be coupled faster and easier than other detachables on the market. Hookup is accomplished by simply backing the gooseneck into the fifth wheel assembly of the lower deck. A 2-inch kingpin will align the trailer bed with the gooseneck as you approach, and then trip a positive fail-safe locking mechanism. The posi-lock handle, which is easily viewed from the driver's seat, will snap in position at the same time, indicating a positive hookup. It's just that easy. To get underway, connect the 2 air hoses, a single electrical cable, and using the hydraulic controls conveniently located in the gooseneck, raise the trailer bed to the appropriate height. Next, drop the 2 hefty load blocks in place and lower the trailer bed into transport position. That's all there is to it. Quick, safe, and easy. Now let's take a closer look at some of the many features and options that make our trailers the best buys in the detachable market. For convenience and flexibility, we offer 3 choices in gooseneck lengths. 10 foot 7 inches is standard, while 12 and 13-foot goosenecks are optional and are most commonly used where a Jeep dolly or 4-axle truck is required. Each will fit our 35, 40, and 50-ton trailers. However, an extra heavy-duty neck is used on the 60-ton series. Kingpins can be located at 15 inches or 42 inches from the front of each gooseneck, depending on your specific weight transfer and swing clearance requirements. Each gooseneck has, as standard equipment, a hydraulic support arm, which enables it to be raised or lowered with little effort. Operator controls for all hydraulic functions are easily accessible and safely located on the gooseneck. You will also notice that we have given our goosenecks a low-angled profile that allows for scraper clearance. Within the gooseneck, we have mounted 2 large diameter cylinders, which provide a combined force in excess of 200,000 pounds and are capable of lifting the nose of the trailer from 0 ground clearance to a foot above typical transport height. Positioned for maximum vertical lifting efficiency, the cylinders operate linkage-free and do not require ground support. Both cylinders are readily accessible, simplifying maintenance and repair procedures considerably. Just remove 1 pin and the entire unit will swing out. If ever needed, one or both of the cylinders can be completely removed without dropping the trailer. What's more, due to their recessed mounting within the framework of the gooseneck, the cylinders are protected against being accidentally damaged by the payload. For added convenience, an optional self-contained hydraulic power system can also be mounted between the gooseneck beams. The 8, 11, or 12 horsepower motors are recessed out of the way and are well shielded from road debris. Gooseneck to tractor hydraulic plumbings are standard snap-on male-female fittings. In addition, all hoses and fittings are standard items available just about everywhere and very easy to repair or replace. Another feature exclusive to our detachable goosenecks are the dual oversized load blocks. These swing-down blocks have an extra broad footprint with a full 36 inches of contact area per block, which prevents the possibility of mushrooming. And to remedy the problem of varying fifth wheel heights, we can provide you with sets of height adjustment shims that can be easily installed or removed. All of Landoll's detachables are available in unobstructed bed lengths of 20, 22, and 24 feet. Each can be load rated in either 10 or 16 feet. Typical loaded deck height is 24 inches with 8 inches of ground clearance typical. Moving to the rear trunnion. A tandem axle configuration is standard on the 35-ton model, with triple axles standard on the 40, 50, and 60-ton models. Axles can be spaced at 49, 54, or 60 inches, depending on your specific requirements. Our detachables can be equipped with an exceptionally rugged and durable spring suspension, or your choice of 2 top-rated air ride suspensions. If you decide to go with one of the air ride systems, you should give serious consideration to having an optional height adjustment valve installed as well. This valve gives you the capability of raising or lowering the trailer deck at the rear axles to accommodate varying load heights. In addition, our 40, 50, and 60-ton detachables can be equipped with optional flip axle mounting brackets. Then, whenever you need to run under permit, you can quickly and easily attach a spare flip axle. Landoll's flip axles come with our exclusive adjustable weight control linking. This feature simplifies flip axle hookup and allows the operator to easily adjust the amount of weight being transferred to the flip axle assembly without the use of troublesome shims. If you're deadheading on the return trip, it's a simple matter to flip the spare axle and let it ride piggyback to comply with trailer length regulations. The Scale-O-Matic is another popular option that many drivers have come to count on. By determining the load weight per axle, the Scale-O-Matic gives drivers the capability to scale their own loads. You only have to be overweight once at a state scale to appreciate the potential value of this particular option. There is also a beaver tail configuration available for our detachables. More commonly employed on our 35-ton trailers, this option gives you rear load capability. The rear-mounted ramps are reinforced and include a pair of ground support pads that provide enhanced trailer stability when loading or unloading. For specialized hauling, our detachables are also available in drop-side models. On these trailers, the track area is dropped 6 inches, allowing you extra load height flexibility. What's more, this is accomplished without giving anything away in terms of trailer strength or stability. A boom trough, commonly ordered on our 50 and 60-ton trailers, is offered as standard equipment on some 35 and 40-ton models. We also offer half or full height front bolsters, and if you want, sets of heavy-duty removable wheel covers. Front-loading our detachables is simplified by installing our optional flip-up ramps. These heavily reinforced double pin-mounted ramps provide sure footing during the loading process. What's more, the large bearing area of the front beam pads reduces ground penetration during loading operations. To accommodate extra wide loads, our detachables are available with optional swing-out outriggers, which can be deployed or retracted in a matter of minutes. The outrigger mountings are positioned directly adjacent to supporting cross members for extra strength. When not in use, outriggers are held firmly in place against the perimeter beams by spring retainers. To help secure your load, sturdy D-rings are also positioned along the perimeter beams of each trailer. Trailer decking is all 2-inch nominal hardwood. Center fill decking is optional. We also provide a 4-section neoprene-sealed wiring harness as standard equipment on all of our detachables. Individual segments are available for the gooseneck, the lower deck, the axle trunnion, and the rear bumper. Sealed for long-term resistance to moisture and salt, the harness should last for the life of the trailer. However, if something would happen to the harness, it's a simple matter to unplug and replace the damaged section. Landoll Detachables are known for their toughness, handling ease, and outstanding stability. This is accomplished by giving the trailer's massive main beams an extra wide stance. This in turn allows us to mount our suspensions directly under the trailer's main beams. This is far superior to the outboard method commonly used by other manufacturers. The main beams constitute the backbone of a detachable trailer. That's why long before production could begin, our staff of professional design engineers exhaustively analyzed all component concepts. Using 3-dimensional models generated by elaborate computer programs, our engineers test and analyze the structural limits of major trailer components, making sure that each component not only met, but surpassed its performance objectives. But that's only part of the story. It's also the way these beams are built that gives them their outstanding strength characteristics. Here's the process. All structural members are fabricated in-house to our own very demanding specifications. First, beam webs with pre-engineered cambers are cut from solid sheets of high tensile strength steel. The torch, a computer-driven plasma arc, yields extremely clean and precise cuts. The plasma arc is used to cut out the majority of our trailer components. Webs and flanges are then transformed into solid beams by an automated wire welder that produces exceptionally strong continuous welds. This method of welding cambered beams has definite strength advantages over the process used by other manufacturers. Our trailer frames are fabricated in massive rollover jigs, which ensure precise component fit. Here, the 16-inch main beams, complete with pre-cut slots, meet up with their 4x8-inch cross members. When welded, these combined components form the framework of a trailer unmatched industry-wide for its ruggedness and reliability. Then, to ensure a high-quality paint finish, which is as tough and durable as our trailer frames, each frame is shot blasted to clean white metal just prior to painting. The advantages of shot blasting are twofold. First, the process completely removes the oil and rust-causing mill scale, which is commonly left in place by the pressurized wash bath method employed by our competitors. And secondly, shot blasting leaves metal surfaces with a clean, textured finish that promotes superior paint adhesion. This tight adhesion of paint to metal not only provides an excellent moisture seal, but also results in trailer finishes which are second to none. This do-it-the-right-way attitude is all part of our commitment at Landoll Corporation to the production of a detachable trailer line that will outlast and outperform all of our competitors. We have done our homework, and we know what you expect from a 35, 40, 50, or 60-ton detachable. You want a trailer that will work for you day in and day out without costly downtime and minimal maintenance. You want a system that is fast, easy to use, reliable, has a long life cycle, and retains a high resale value. With a detachable from Landoll, you get all that and more. With Landoll, you also get flexibility. The flexibility to choose from a wide array of outstanding features and options, to put together a detachable trailer system that is best suited to your individual transport needs. A system that, because of its efficiency, will pay you to own it. What's more, you get a detachable trailer that comes to you with a comprehensive service and warranty package from Landoll. But before you can really appreciate these trailers, you need to check one out in person. So give us a call. Ask to speak with one of our trailer specialists. He can arrange a field demonstration at no cost to you. And after seeing one of our trailers in action, you are bound to come away convinced that when it comes to detachable trailers, they just don't come any better than the 35, 40, 50, and 60-ton detachables from Landoll. Landoll Corporation, leading the way with trailer systems as diverse as your needs.